How do I debug React applications using DevTools? Imagine you're building a React app and suddenly things don't work as expected. You see errors or unexpected behavior, and you wonder how to find the problem quickly. That's where debugging tools come in. Today, I will guide you through how to use DevTools to debug your React applications effectively. First, you need to install the React Developer Tools browser extension. This extension adds special panels to your browser's developer tools, like components and profiler. These panels let you see your React component tree, check their current props and state, and even change values on the fly. To install, go to your browser's extension store, search for React Developer Tools, and add it. Once installed, open your React app in a supported browser such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Then, press F12 to open DevTools. You will see new tabs or panels named Components and Profiler. Click on the Components panel to view your React component hierarchy. You can select any component to see its current properties and state. This helps you spot where data might be incorrect or where bugs are hiding. If you want to test how your app reacts to different data, you can edit the props or state directly in this panel. This saves you time because you don't need to change your code and reload every time. Next, use the Sources tab in DevTools to set breakpoints in your JavaScript code. Find the source files for your React components, click on the line numbers where you want execution to pause, and then trigger the code. When the code hits a breakpoint, DevTools will pause, and you can inspect variable values, call stacks, and the current scope. This helps you understand what your code is doing step by step. You can also insert the debugger statement directly into your code where you want to pause execution. The console tab is also very helpful. You can add console.log statements in your React code to output values and track how data flows through your app. For example, logging the props or state at different points can show you where things go wrong. You can also run commands directly in the console to test snippets of code or check variable values. For event-driven bugs, like a button not working or a click not triggering, use event listener breakpoints in the debugger. These allow you to pause execution when specific events happen, such as mouse clicks or network responses. This way, you can see how your React components respond to user actions or asynchronous data. It's also a good idea to run your browser in incognito mode. This disables extensions that might interfere with debugging. Make sure source maps are enabled in your build process so DevTools can map minified code back to your original source files. This makes debugging much easier because you see your actual code, not a compressed version. If you're working with React Native, similar debugging features are available through React Native DevTools, which integrate with the React Developer Tools. By combining component inspection, code breakpoints, and logging, you can find and fix bugs in your React applications more efficiently. Practice using these tools regularly, and you'll become faster at troubleshooting issues and improving your app's performance.